Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your JotForm URL share link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your JotForm URL link anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to share your lead capture magnets. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the URL link to one of your JotForms, first what you're going to do is click on all forms here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the JotForms you have. You can see I just have these two. Now, if you want to get the URL link, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is if you hover over the JotForm, you're going to see these three buttons on the right. Go ahead and click on more. Once you click on more, you're going to see all of these menu options, but you want to click here, publish form. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to be able to see your URL share link right here. Now, before you share it, make sure that you have the correct privacy settings. So you can see this is a private form. So that means that if I copy this link and I send it over to somebody who's not added into the form, they're not going to be able to see the form. It's going to be a broken link. So you can change this to a public link by clicking on settings. Okay, and then we can change it to public form, and we'll close this down. Okay, now you can see it's a public JotForm, so we can go ahead and just copy the link. So another way that you can get to the JotForm share link is just hover over the JotForm and then click on edit form. Once you click on edit form, you're going to see these three options at the top, and you'll go ahead and click on publish. Okay, once you click on publish, make sure that you've clicked on quick share here on the left side at the top. And then as you can see right here, it's the share link. Same thing, it's just a different way to get to this particular section. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your JotForm share link, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.